fallen in love?
I seen the love, it's okay. But I have my wife.
Hey, you have a wife?
I have my wife.
What is her name?
Is calling.
No.
I don't know the name.
You don't know the name of your wife?
But it's so many names.
No.
Love good or bad?
Bad. It's good. It's good.
Love is good, eh?
Love is
Why
good.
is, Mayor, why is love good?
But I don't have children. But I like love, but I don't have children.
So what is the color of love?
Color, love is what?
No.
So give me at least 4 types of love. Four types of love. One,
but if you get my wife, it's okay. Wife, you get take wife, it's okay.
it's
but
okay.
No.
Do you know love?
Yes, I am loving it because I have my daughter there and we children and what. Yes.
What is love?
Love?
Hey.
Love is my
No.
children is standing there and my people and which everything.
Why do people fall in love?
Falling in love is there and watching to meet to my dear.
Is it good to fall in love?
Yes.
Why?
Because I am a selector.
Selector.
No.